we're back with Lawrence, going to take us through the industrial PCs.
Yes, so with MSI, we also do industrial computers. So things where fanless, heatsink designs, the opportunity to be able to use it in different industry and different type of situations where people need certain things. So, for example, the better box, things like 4 Ethernet ports, 4 HDMI outputs, the ability to run off DC power. Let's show it over here. Serial ports for different devices that you need to run. Everything without a fan. That's the one thing that a lot of different industries would like to see, and we're starting to provide that to the market here in Australia.
What's underneath it as well for mounting options?
For mounting options, absolutely. So here you might have some mounting holes and plates, and also with these particular options, we can help you customize your needs and wants to be able to mount it properly, or internally as well, where you want to be able to run a certain spec processor, or certain spec graphics card, certain spec Ethernet ports. Also, some of these will also come with 4G, 5G connectivity. So there's a lot of different applications that we've already found out here at the event, and different industries that are going, we could potentially use this for a display, or for or for some machinery in our warehousing, in our in any situation that they have, they're finding hardware that can use. Another one, even though this is not turning on, this is our ruggedized tablet. So a lot of industry might need to use Windows-based tablet with software to drive their productivity. So we now have a 1-inch tablet, which will be able to fulfill that need as well. One other thing I'd like to show you is our smallest computer. It's kind of similarly looks like a Raspberry Pi, but it's a Windows-based machine, where if you're looking at digital signage, where there needs to be little maintenance, especially being a fanless design, something like this can be useful in those applications as well.
It's pretty small as well.
Yeah, this is something new. So this is NVIDIA's entry into AI computing. So this is our MSI Expert, which is our personal AI supercomputer. This is the first time we are showing off the design of the box here in Australia. This will be made available to the Australian market as well. If you can have a look at all the specs there. So it's based off the NVIDIA Grace Blackwell architecture, the GPU and ARM 20-core processor. You can spec this out to have up to 128 gigabyte of RAM and over 1,000 AI TOPS, which is going to be very important for your AI processing needs. So again, this is going to be made available soon to the Australian market, and again, we get to showcase this here at Integrates this year. Yes. So we got more industrial-based PCs here. Again, if you need something with the extra I/O ports, we've got specs there. I think this is better than having an RGB computer, to be quite honest. Big, huge heatsink right here, just for efficiency.
What's inside it there? What does the processor and graphics card go up to?
So this one here still be an Intel-based processor, whether it's spec'd at 12, 13, or 14 gen. If you are thinking of adding a graphics card in there, there is the PCIe Express ports there as well. So again, these can be configured to what the customer needs and wants.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.